Welcome to the first official episode of Gravel Garage. On this episode, I'm stripping out that interior. We're gonna get it down to a shell. Let's see what we're working with. Let's get to it. All this is coming out. It's pretty trashed.
There goes the seat.
Yes, sir.
That's what Ryan did.
I'm stuck on something.
Did you disconnect the wire?
Oh, I did not disconnect the wire. I've never done this before.
There we go with the second seat. Driver's seat. He knows what he's doing this time.
Huh?
I said he knows what he's doing this time.
Not really. Because now I can't get it out.
Is it still connected?
No, it's just...
Awkward.
There we go. Yes, sir. We had Mises. All right, and that's that. Car stripped down. We got, took the hood off because I'm gonna have to pull that eventually. And yeah, look at that. Anyway, that's all we got time for today. Thank you to my brother-in-law, Matt. Hell yeah. And we'll catch you guys next time.